guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning into another one. I really hope you guys enjoyed my intro. I worked pretty hard on it, so I hope you guys really did enjoy it. So for this video, it's going to be very laid back, very calm. I got some feedback from you guys from Instagram Live. You guys wanted me to use the James Charles times Morphe palette. I'm sorry y'all, it's dirty. It's getting dirty already. Y'all wanted me to use the James Charles palette, and you guys wanted me to work with the color blue, so I'm going to be doing that today. I have my glass of wine. It's freezing outside. It's just a really cozy day, and we just gonna slay this look. We might get a little tipsy, we might not. Don't judge me, I ain't got time. But again, thank you guys for watching another one of my videos, and let's get straight into the video. So I've gotten a few requests on people wanting to know how I do my eyebrows. I always do my eyebrows off camera just because I've kind of gotten into the routine of doing that. But if you guys do want to see me do my eyebrows, make sure you leave me a comment down below so I can give you guys what you want. So first off, today we're going to start with our LA Pro Girl Conceal, and I'm going to conceal my eyelids. And I'm not going to use too much. I don't really want to look crazy, other than I already do. So the first color I'm gonna go with in my James and Morphe palette is this blue shade right here. So for the next shade, I'm going to go right under it. I'm going to use this shade right here. Okay, so for the third blue shade, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Okay, so I just cut my crease, and I used this white shade right here to set my concealer. So this is how my cut crease is looking. I'm gonna go back into the palette, and I'm gonna pick up this blue shimmery shade right here. So now that I'm done applying that blue shimmery shade, I'm gonna go back into my palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. So for primer today, I'm going to be using my Baby Skin Pore Eraser, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Prime, and I'm going to be mixing these two. I did this for the first time in my last video, and I really did like the moisture of the Master Prime, but the smoothness that the Baby Skin gives me. Fenty Beauty. Okay guys, so here I am with the eye look. I just added a few, added a pair of lashes, and these are lashed by Shay, and these are in the style Bliss, and these are so pretty, y'all. Like, a bitch is about to fly away. Like, if you guys like these lashes, leave me a comment down below. I think they're super cute. I think they go really well with the eye look. So next for concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Deep, of course. I'm going to put some on my chin area as well, my upper lip. Making sure not to put too much on my upper lip because it can get out of hand. Down the bridge of my nose and a little bit on my forehead. And now I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. Now that my concealer is all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and take my Laura Mercier setting powder and I'm going to set my face. Next, I'm going to take my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Kit, and I'm going to take this shade right here. Okay guys, so I used my LA Girl Glide gel liner to line the bottom of my eyes, and I also went back and used some of the same colors that I used on my eye look to kind of blow out the bottom a little bit. And now we can move right on to highlighter. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to use the shade Bronzed. Okay guys, so for lips I'm going to keep it super basic. I'm going to use my Morphe lip gloss, and this is in the shade Frosty. So for setting spray, I'm going to go in with my Morphe setting spray. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Also make sure that if you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also make sure you guys subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with everybody. And thank you guys for tuning into another one of my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.